Welcome back to Crypto Diary, the one-stop shop for all your crypto needs. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated about all the latest videos. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. Now, what causes this life to be called face-paced, and what can you miss out on being called backdated? In one word, the answer to both the questions is inventions. Innovators have been striving to make the world a better place by providing solutions to problems we didn't know exists. The specific problem that we will talk about today is the centralized internet. We as creators are prone to be the target of such a system, but the users are reaching our position too. But we also know that with authority comes responsibility and security. Does that mean the decentralization of the internet can cause turmoil for users with a lot of different guidelines and no promises provided? Well, let's answer all of your queries in the video, where we talk about the latest technological buzz, the Web 3.0. Today we are going to talk about everything about Web 3.0, along with the top 3 Web 3.0 tokens that you can look forward to buying. So let's get started. It won't get you by surprise if I tell you that the technology behind blockchain has become more popular than ever since their launch. The boom of the internet worked as its strongest backbone and is still expected to grow in the years to come. While a lot of people across the globe are still trying their hands on this system to invest their best way out and just getting used to its nearly magical returns, another dynamite of an invention was dropped in the IT industry, which became the base of the new technical dream. And this is what we term as Web 3.0. The question is, what exactly is so sensational about it? And the simplest answer that I can provide you with is that Web 3.0 is a new internet breed that aspires to be a decentralized version of the virtual world. And the hype is mainly due to the promising future it holds, as it aims for transparency, access to the limitless amount of resources, content, and agreements. Doesn't this sound like a whole package? Your answer is probably yes, but wait, there is more to it. Web 3.0 is another name for the era of new capabilities, the most prominent of which being the decentralization of internet content regulation. Apart from the good side of it, an obvious reason for the loud volume of talk is also due to the complexity it might offer. People weren't done exploring the blockchain, and now the anxiety of a new complexion has gotten them biting their nails. But like any other sort of technology, the internet ecosystem is continually evolving to satisfy society's rising expectations. By staying aware and educated about the internet's future, it will help consumers avoid digital whiplash as a result of the changes that Web 3.0 will bring if it gets successful. Out of all the names in the world, why on earth was this fancy technology named 3.0? Well, my friend, as the name implies, there have been two versions of the internet computing, each of which have gradually added more and more online services, opening up new digital doors. Web 1.0 was the first phase of the internet, which displayed information but was restricted to capability, clumsy to navigate, and didn't offer many options for monetization content. Web 2.0 provided on its predecessor by categorizing information on websites, allowing data to flow freely from site owner to user and providing tools for users to create content. Many people are now pushing for a new web generation to address the current generation's issues. Now, Web 3.0 is being extensively advocated because content producers are unhappy that only a few huge corporations dominate most websites and seek a method to reclaim control. Large social media companies like Twitter gain all the benefits of content development because news feeds are littered with narratives. Web 3.0 tokens are decentralized projects that will use smart contracts to automate transactions across the internet. As a result, here is a list of the top Web 3.0 cryptocurrencies attempting to build new technology and should be implemented as soon as possible. Here's your intro to coin Ocean Protocol. Ocean Protocol unlocks the value of data. It's the opening line to its official website. The spectrum of the users of this coin is humongous, making it an unshakable base. The data owners and consumers use the Ocean Market app to publish, discover, and consume data in a secure, privacy-preserving fashion. Ocean holders stake liquidity to data pools. Developers use Ocean libraries to build their own data wallets, data marketplaces, and more. Ocean data tokens wrap data services as industry standard ERC20 tokens. This enables data wallets, data exchanges, and data co-ops by leveraging crypto wallets, exchanges, and other decentralized finance or DeFi tools. And when it comes to the price prediction, the short-term technical analysis of Ocean Protocol price shows that the market sentiments of Ocean Coin are bearish for the current trading session. The average Ocean Protocol price is trading in the range of $0.829 to $1.25 for the day. From the beginning of the year, Bollinger Band was squeezing and the Ocean coin value went to its all-time high. And as per the long term, that is for the next 5 years, Ocean price prediction anticipates the future price of Ocean Protocol cryptocurrency, it'll touch a maximum price of $2.5. If it can reach the predicted price within the stipulated time period, it will be a valuable asset to the portfolio. The price of Ocean Protocol today is around 50% less than the all-time high. The percentage is lower than its highest price. If the Ocean Protocol forecast moves as expected and the tremendous value addition continues in the future, then the value of the token and market cap of the company will also increase. Ocean Protocol will be a good investment in the future, which, if you ask a decent investor, is a promising set of returns. Now moving on to Flux Coin, number 2. Okay, hold on tight for this one. Flux is a new generation of scalable decentralized cloud infrastructure. Simply develop, manage, and spawn your applications on multiple servers at once. Ready for Web 3.0, dApps, and more. The Flux ecosystem is a fully operational suite of decentralized computing services and blockchain-as-a-service solutions which offer an interoperable decentralized AWS-like development environment. The ecosystem consists of the following components, which are all fully deployed and operational. Flux, a native GPU mineable POW or proof of work coin, providing incentive for hardware holsters. XDAO governance on chain, and bad actor mitigation via staking requirements for running hardware. Next generation decentralized Web3 computational network with more than 2,300 plus Flux nodes located all around the globe, providing around 10,900 plus V-cores of CPU power, 35 plus terabytes of RAM, and 850 plus terabytes of storage. Anyone can stand up a Flux node if they provide the required Flux collateral and hardware for one of 3 Flux node tires. If this didn't look like a concrete road to the future of investments, then let us just look at the price predictions. This year, 2021, is just about to end, and we guess that the coin has many chances to show some major changes by the end of this year. The upcoming year's prediction has clearly shown that Flux, FLUX, has more chances to show some big changes in terms of price. Some experts have already claimed that it will be going to touch the peak of 2.64 USD by the end of the year 2022. Because Flux hasn't gained many price hikes, we can say that Flux price prediction of 2022 can be high. When it comes to the long run of 5 years, the coin to show brilliant changes in the year of 2026 are also engaging many investors to invest in it. As everyone knows that the year 2021 has mostly ended, and we add the new year 2026 to our Flux coin price prediction list. So the estimated price of Flux in the year 2022 will actually make every investor very excited to invest in this brilliant coin. The probability of the coin hitting 5.54 USD is very high. If this didn't impress you, I wonder what will. And finally, our last coin, the RMRK. RMRK was started in August 2020 by Web3 Foundation's then technical educator Bruno Skovork. The team was expanded to a team of 4 in February 2021 and registered as a Swiss wherein Yuri Petusko, Ilya Dvornikovs, Yuri Girjanskis, and Bruno together composed the specifications and tools for RMRK and RMRK 2.0, which is now the basis of the most advanced NFT system of the world. RMRK.app is a part of Kusama's broader NFT strategy and a way to abuse Kusama's system. Remark extrinsic to write custom notes onto the chain in a standardized and structured way. The protocol runs on the Kusama blockchain. RMRK is the native utility token that is used for currency in the RMRK metaverse, preventing fungible token spam and other important sectors of the Web 3.0. The real spice is that of the 10 million RMRK supply, 88% of the tokens were airdropped to the community who bought Canaria eggs. Out of the 11% remaining tokens, 5% are locked for the founding team and the rest are loaned out to the market makers for exchange liquidity. There's no inflation. There is no buyback program due to the immense utility of the token across the RMRK ecosystem. Though this is not financial advice, as per our research, this was the best list of the top 3 Web 3.0 coins that you must look into for the best returns. Let us know what you think about these or which coin you're going to invest in. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.